This series of lessons is about understanding a little bit more about chord theory, specifically about triads and tertiary or triad harmony. We talked a little bit before about how every chord is built from its respective scale. So, if you want to understand or build a C major chord, you start with the C major scale. If you want to build or understand a D major chord, you start with a D major scale. We're going to explore the ideas behind that in a little bit more depth in this tutorial series. In earlier lessons, we talked about the C major scale being played like this. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Then we talked about how those notes are assigned numbers, and they are the intervals of the major scale. 1, 2, major 3, 4, 5, major 6, major 7, and 1. The principle that explains why we pick the 1, the 3, and the 5 as chord tones is called triadic harmony or tertiary harmony, because both of those words refer to the number 3. Because what happens is we're stacking thirds. Informally, I call this the leapfrog principle. We start on the 1, we skip, we leapfrog over the 2, and we go to the 3. The 1 and the 3 together, that is an interval of a third. Likewise, we start on the 3, we skip the 4, and we go to the 5. So from the 3 to the 5 is also an interval of a third. So from the 1 to the 3, we have a third. And then from the 3 to the 5, we also have an interval of a third. That's where the idea of the triad or tertiary harmony comes from.